not going to post this video because why not?
Guess what? Do you ever knock? The door was open. I didn't need to. Anyways, guess what?
This one better be important.
Important?
Well, let's see. There was that one time you came to me about your missing toothbrush. Don't forget that time you saw a dead rat.
See? Important stuff. So, there's this house down the street. They say it's haunted. You wanna come along to check it out?
No thanks, I got stuff to do. And go ask right back.
I would, but no one lives there and I'm afraid to go inside alone.
Ugh, fine. But...
Great!